Dino Calabrese, and we're going to talk today about Mullican flooring. We were asked about this product to take a look at it and basically what Mullican flooring is. Mullican flooring is Mullican Hardwood. They're made locally in Tennessee. They have solid construction and then they have hardwood that's engineered. You may be asking yourself, what does engineered mean? I know what solid is. It means it's solid all the way through. But I don't know what engineered is. So today we're going to talk about that and the benefits of an engineered product, and we're even going to take a look at some of the colors in the line. So they have a product called Castle Ridge. It's a birch and it's a 5-inch wide plank by 3/8 inch thick, and it's an engineered product. So again, what does that mean? It means it's a cross-ply construction. So if you look at the side of the material, you would see that there's one ply that runs this way, the next ply runs the other way, the next ply runs this way, the next ply, and the next ply. So there's 5 different plies, and they all run opposite directions in a stack. So what does that do? That makes that more of a stable product. So if one ply wants to move one way and the other one wants to move the other way, they don't move anywhere because they fight against each other. That is ingenious. So you can install this product on grade, above grade, or even below in a basement. You can glue it, you can staple it, or you can float it. So there's many different options, and it's a beautiful product itself. Let's go right at it and take a look at it. Here we go. Let's see if you can see this very well. It's a hand-scraped product, basically a hand-sculpted. What they do is they rough up the finish a little, and they have a little wave to it. The trend is usually how products basically trend across the United States. It starts usually in California, the West Coast, and then it makes its way to the Midwest and then to the East Coast. So these are the popular colors. So you have Espresso on the top, right here. Then you have Fawn, and then I believe that's Provincial. And then you have another gray, which is called Greystone. Greystone is basically, in all the grays that are out these days, they say gray is the new beige. So we have to respect that. And I think the color palette hits home. The graining itself looks more like a maple, but it's a birch species. So similar graining to a birch or a maple is the birch. Great product. I'm looking forward to seeing more out of Mullican with new releases. But for the subscriber that asked, here you go. Here's 4 colors in the line by Mullican called Castle Ridge. Check it out. Go to a retailer, see what it's all about. Pull it out of the display, bring it home, bring a sample home, check it out. I'm sure you're going to love it. So please subscribe below. We're looking forward to our next video. If you have questions, comment below. Maybe that'll make our next video. We will put it out there and we'll answer any questions you need to be answered. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.